Hi friends, welcome to Susan Terrace Garden. Today's video is about a fruit plant, that is Musk Melon fruit. Musk Melon is also known as cantaloupe. This delicious fruit is a summer favorite fruit. For more plant videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Growing Musk Melon is very easy. Soil must be well drained and enriched with organic matter. We brought a muskmelon fruit from market and took out the seeds and planted them in the soil enriched with organic matter. After planting seeds in the soil, within 10 days you can see seedlings. Take the seedlings and transfer them to new pots. After 20 days you will be able to see vinings and flowers of muskmelon. In 1 month, that is 30 days, you can observe small fruits of muskmelon. In 60 to 70 days, the fruits develop into a fully big sized muskmelon fruit and which will be ready for harvest. Regarding watering for this plant, muskmelons need consistent moisture. Water the plant regularly but not waterlogged. This muskmelon plant should be placed in direct sunlight. These plants love the sun. It should receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Muskmelon is a vining plant, so it needs support of a stick to grow. Regarding fertilizers, use a balanced fertilizer once in a week to promote growth. Look for fertilizers high in potassium to enhance fruit quality. I used fertilizers like fermented banana peel water and fermented buttermilk works well for this plant. Regarding pest control, to control pest, use neem oil spray and rice soaked water which works really well. Let's look into the pollination. Regarding pollination, muskmelon plant produces two types of flower. One is male flower and female flowers. Male flowers are typically appear first and are responsible for producing pollen. They have long slender stem and do not develop into fruit. Female flowers have swollen base that will develop into fruit once pollinated. Female flowers usually appear after male flowers. Muskmelon plants are pollinated by bees and other natural pollinators. To encourage pollination, attract pollinators like bees by planting more flowers near the plants. Regarding pruning, muskmelon plant typically have several vines. Identify the main vine that you want to encourage for fruit production. As the plant grows, it produces suckers which are small shoots that arise from leaf axils. You have to pinch off these suckers which will encourage fruit production. Regular care is essential for healthy muskmelon plants. We have harvested these muskmelon fruits 4 times. First time we have harvested 2 fruits. Second time 1 muskmelon fruit, and third time we harvested 4 muskmelon fruits, and for the fourth time we harvested again 3 muskmelon fruits. Harvesting muskmelon is one of the most rewarding part of growing them. We have harvested totally 10 muskmelon fruits and it gave lots of happiness and joy to our hearts. Look into the muskmelon fruits with full of seeds in the center and flesh is very sweet. This fruit is not only delicious but also filled with more nutrition. They are low in calories and high in vitamin A and C, making them great for hydration. Whether you enjoy muskmelon fresh as a fruit in a salad or blended into a smoothie, this fruit is a delightful treat. With a little care and attention, you can grow your own muskmelon plants and enjoy these sweet muskmelons. Hey, have you seen all our muskmelon fruits? I challenge you all to plant and harvest this plant. We had lot of joy in harvesting these muskmelon fruits. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a joyful gardening.